Welcome to a journey through the transformative power of art in our homes. From the earliest days of human existence, art has played an integral role in shaping our living spaces. Just as the first cave dwellers adorned their walls with expressive drawings, we continue this timeless tradition, realizing that art has the extraordinary ability to beautify and breathe life into our homes. Nothing quite compares to the way art can infuse a sense of character and personality into our living spaces. Whether it's a thought-provoking painting, a meticulously crafted print, or even a vibrant tapestry, art speaks a universal language that transcends cultural boundaries. It serves as a visual storyteller, allowing us to express our unique identity within the walls of our home. Art has the magical ability to evoke emotions, creating an atmosphere that resonates with our individual tastes and preferences. The colors, textures, and forms of a well-chosen piece can uplift our spirits, turning a house into a home. It's a testament to the notion that our surroundings profoundly impact our well-being, and art is the key to unlocking a world of beauty within our daily lives. Think of art as the soul of your home, transforming blank walls into captivating canvases that tell your story. It's not just about decoration, it's about curating an environment that nurtures creativity, inspiration, and a deep sense of connection. Whether you're drawn to classical masterpieces or contemporary abstracts, the choices are as diverse as the individuals who make these selections. In the tapestry of life, each piece of art is a thread, weaving together a narrative that reflects your passions, experiences, and dreams. As we navigate the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, art provides a sanctuary, a visual retreat that invites us to pause, reflect, and appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. So, as you embark on the journey of making your house a home, consider the transformative power of art. Embrace the joy of discovering pieces that resonate with your soul, that make you smile, and that turn every corner into a haven of beauty. Because, in the end, a home filled with art is not just a living space, it's a masterpiece in the making, one brushstroke, one sculpture, and one canvas at a time. Here's a bit of good news for YouTubers. There will be a drawing when we hit 1,000 YouTube subscribers. Everyone who subscribes to Chuck Staley's channel will be automatically entered to win $300 worth of Chuck's art or merchandise when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So, please subscribe and tell your art-loving friends to subscribe. Cheers!